The Alpinestars RiDEOUT collection continues to expand in 2014 with the addition of a comfortable, lightweight, and versatile glove called the Haku. This technical 3-layer glove features a water-repellent softshell exterior laminated to a windproof membrane and mid-weight fleece liner. This ensures good protection from the elements, but also a great degree of durability. Clarino suede reinforcements can be found along the palm, thumb, and outer edge landing zone of the hand. These areas also come backed by EVA padding for impact absorption, with additional padding along the tops of the fingers for comfort added protection. There's an advanced hard polymer protector ergonomically positioned over the knuckles, as the pre-curved fingers with their flexible sidewalls allow for unrestricted hand movement. Finishing touches to the well-rounded Haku include reflective detailing on the fingers for improved visibility, a Velcro wrist closure for glove security, and a neoprene cuff for long-lasting riding comfort. Last but not least, the touchscreen-compatible index finger makes it convenient to dial in your GPS or control the music on your smartphone. Style, convenience, with impact and weather protection, all in one glove, which we also offer in a Stella version just for women.